Today, we'll be looking at the group by statement. Let's see how that works. We want to select, let's say gender. This time around, we want to be column specific. I want to select the gender column from my employee demographics table and then I don't need to use the where statement this time around. So I'll be using the group by, select gender, group by gender. Okay. And let's execute this to see. So it has given me a table that has identified all of the genders on my table, male and female. But let's use a more complex use case. I want to select gender. I also want to count how many genders I have. And then I want to group by gender as well. Let's see what this would do for us. Now it has given me a table indicating that I have 2 male and 2 female in my data set. Okay. But what if I want to give this particular column a name such that my table will look a bit more explanatory and organized? Then I would come here and use the as statement. Remember the as? I will call this gender count. And execute. And it has given me value. Gender, 2 female, and 2 male in my data set. That is how to use the group by statement. Previously, we've been working with the where statement. Let's see how we can incorporate where statement with the group by. We would say select gender, count gender as gender count from employee demographic tables, where age is greater than 30. Let's see what this would give us. Wow, it has given us people whose age are greater than 30 amongst the male and the female. So we have a female whose age is greater than 30 and male whose age is greater than 30. Okay, let's also see the order by alongside with the group by and how it works. So I'll just continue with this to save me the time to type in so many lines. So I'll say select gender, count gender as gender count from employee demographics where age is greater than 30, group by gender, and then order by gender. And then how does the ordering work? There, you can either order in ascending or in descending order. All right, so we would use descending for now. Let's see what this would do. That is how the order by statement works. Okay, so it started with male 1 and then female 1. So what happens if we use ascending? Let's see how that would work. It started with female 1 and male 1. So by default, SQL arranges in ascending order. Well, however, if you need to flip your table the other way around, then you will indicate using the order by statement to and set it at descending order, and then it will flip your table the other way round. Okay. Let's see another way, a more minimal way to use the order by statement. I would say select all of the values from my employee demographics table, and then order by the age column in descending order. This is a less complex use case. And now it has, according to age, from the highest all the way to the lowest, my table has been organized, has been ordered in descending order from the highest age up until the lowest age. You can order employee ID from the highest to the lowest. You can order anything you want to order from the highest to the lowest. That, my friends, is the group by and the order by. We have just touched the basic use case of SQL. See you in the next class as we introduce the intermediate level of SQL.